So here is a very, very weird way of making some money. So let's start with this. So I was looking at wall art just for my office because I love having a picture of the fucking of the world on my wall, so I can see my global megalomania that I want to get into everywhere. So it's great for me for that. And so I was looking at this. I found this. It was in, of course, I was just looking for world map wall art was a search term, and this ranked #1, and that kind of got me onto what I was telling you to begin with, all about the SEO benefits of being in handmade. All right. And then I got thinking, well, that's interesting. I wonder who this company is. Woodpeck Studio. That's where the brand name. So I Googled Woodpeck Studio, and it turns out they've got their website, as you can imagine, which is awesome. But then I found them on Etsy, and I thought, well, that's interesting. They're on Etsy. Let's go and have a look at them. So then I started looking on Etsy, and I noticed that they've got a sale on at the minute. And I thought, wow, that's friggin' interesting. I wonder how many people on Etsy are only selling on Etsy and are not actually selling on Amazon yet. I wonder how many people are doing that. And so I started looking around. So I started going around and looking at different things, what's happening on Etsy, and seeing what products are available for it. And I thought, well, we've got Christmas coming up. What about if I just start looking at gift ideas? So if I just go to gift ideas, here we are on Etsy. All right, now I can see, let's just turn off the personalization because I don't want things to be personalized. I want things that I can easily sell on Amazon. So now let's see what's going on. And now I'm going to look for things that are on sale. So that's that little checkbox. And now I can see that all these things, so these rings, double name rings, that was originally 102 euros. Oh, sorry, 28 euros, now 21 euros, 26 now down to 25, 50% off of these. And I thought, well, holy shit, I wonder how many of those are selling on Amazon. And it turns out not many, because most of the people who are making these things on Etsy or selling these things on Etsy have got a very, very myopic view of the available places they can sell them. So here's what I have started looking at, and maybe you can start looking at this too. It's actually really, really easy to list these products. So if I wanted to do this one, for instance, let's just open it up. I'm not saying you do this one. I'm saying, let me demonstrate with this one. I've got this particular product here. What's that? Sophie and Gavin, happily bloody married, awesome people. That's maybe a terrible thing to show you. Let's have a look at something much easier. Farm animals one. Here we go. Let's do this one. The farm animals, because you'll be able to wrap your head around that much, much easier. This product, I could very simply list this product for sale on Amazon. I purchase handmade products from makers and I sell them. Now, I've already told you about the benefits that you get from handmade in the Amazon search engine results page. I've already laid out that as a potential strategy for you. But now what I'm suggesting is you can do what really amounts to an arbitrage strategy on Amazon. I am going to check this out for sure. So I'm going to be listing products from Etsy, and I'm going to be selling them on Amazon, and I'm going to be going into the handmade category. I purchase handmade products from makers and I sell them, and I'm going to sell them directly on Amazon. That's what I'm going to try. It is, I think, a really, really easy way of testing ideas on Amazon. It's a really, really easy way of getting set up really fast on Amazon. And it's certainly an easy way of making some quick money on Amazon coming into the gift giving season. I think this is bloody brilliant. It's a great, great idea to check it out. And the awesome thing is, you know, you are going to help two people here. The person who's creating this, so Busy Puzzles, you'll help them by making sales for them at their price, and you'll also help the person who's going to buy them on Amazon, because they would never ever have gotten access to this particularly beautifully handmade gift idea had you not had the wherewithal to put it onto Amazon. It's a super cool idea. You get to leverage a rather unique little glitch within Amazon right now relative to Amazon Handmade, and I think it's an absolute winner. I'm going to do it now. I'm going to get, we just did outsourcing on my inner circle. So this is an outsourced job. This is just an outsourced job. That's what I will be doing. Yeah, it's kind of like drop shipping, I guess. It's drop shipping, it's arbitrage. It's kind of like that. I'm going to give it a shot, see what it's like. I'm not going to pre-buy. I don't see the point in but what I would do is, once I knew I could make sales, I would contact them and say, can I wholesale your product? That's what I'd be doing. But you know, once they figure out that I'm doing that, selling on Amazon, I would be utterly amazed if they didn't just start selling there too, because I would. That's what I do when I figure out people are selling my products. Like I found somebody selling my product on Walmart the other day. Great, go for it. But now I'm going to sell my product on Walmart and I can beat you on price. Super, super cool. It's an easy strategy, don't you reckon? Anyway, give it a shot. I'm going to give it a shot. Give it a shot.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.